this. Oh, that tickles. Is it recording this whole time?
Yep.
Alright, well then you're gonna get some weird stuff.
Cool. Oh, are you okay?
I just got assaulted. To the face! Nope, nope, nope. Alright, pencil sharpener.
Oh! Oh, it's just like...
Comes out, and then it wraps around itself. I feel like that would cut you, don't you?
I feel like it's not gonna fit on my wrist.
Not with this stuff in. All right. We can do two. We can splice them together. We have the technology.
We don't want to spend that much time.
Fair. Alright, I want the colored ones.
Go for it. Go for it.
Oh, wow, you have to really twist it.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it
There it
goes.
goes.
Now
Oh.
it's starting. Not a pretty start.
It is not, like, even. You gotta do it fast.
You're doing great. Oh, you're not even in the camera.
What?
Start over.
I don't think I can connect it.
Keep going. Keep going.
Do you do the squishy? I don't
know. Just...
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Oh, it's shredded. Oh.
Okay. Just do it like fast.
Now that... Oh, goodness. Oh, that's not even... It's not even going to be even!
I don't care.
You're not very crafty, are you? You just don't do crafts very often.
I am very crafty.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm very crafty.
Oh. Alright, yep, cut it in half, and then we need another one. Cut the spongy off. That's right, I called it a spongy. No, don't cut that one in half.
Then how are you gonna, okay. Oh, you're right.
You're dumb, right? Alright, we got our chip bag that clearly I wrapped like an animal.
An animal?
A mammal. Alright, so then we take this and wrap it in here, right?
Yep. Roll it up. Tightly.
I'm trying.
Tighter.
Give me those scissors.
That wasn't part of the video!
I don't care. I'm doing this the best I know how.
Cheat?
It made sense to me. Yes, cheating. I threw the straw. I got it.
What is up with you throwing things tonight?
I don't know.
Alright, that's fine.
Tight. Really hard. Still not tight.
Good enough. It's a 5-minute craft. It's good enough.
I have 5 minutes then. All right. Now stick that on this edge here.
Nope, it's too thick.
Good enough, she said. Good enough. Give me that. Give me that.
They look easy, huh?
That looks so easy. They make everything look easy. That's true. Maybe we need those like shake straws.
Yeah.
What did you just call them?
The thick straws. Oh. Boom.
Gosh, that was ridiculous.
Love you.
Kind of cool though.
It is.
Yeah.
All right. This next one I'm super excited about.
All right, what's the last one?
The spices.
Oh, the spices. Let's watch. Oh, they actually use a lighter in this one. Oh. Why was I thinking it was a...
I don't know.
I've seen one that I swear was a hair iron.
It's possible.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Give me that lighter. We don't have to use your hair iron.
Thank you.
I'll do the lighter. Melt my iPhone in the process.
That's fine.
Oh no!
Why is it so, You gotta melt it and then push it against something fast.
Come a little
More
closer.
melty. Okay, sorry. More melty. There you go.
Oh, kinda. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That'll do, donkey.
That'll do. Here, what if we do a makeshift one?
They used a piece of paper.
They did, but they aren't as crafty as me. Boom.
I think they're craftier.
Boom.
Boom!
We're gonna go way too much salt in there.
Alright, let's do it.
You ready?
Hang on. Let's get this out of the way.
Sorry, little phone.
There's barely any salt. More.
I was worried it would be too much.
Is it getting stuck in your pen? Hold this.
That's barely any salt. That's no salt.
Accidentally got stuck in the pen. So we're gonna try to
Get it in there. Wait, here.
Too late. Boom, we're in.
Boom, we're in.
Boom, we're in.
Okay,
Filled to the brim.
good. Now, is
Now
the
I
brim
gotta-
too
now I
much
gotta melt
though?
it again, probably.
Yeah, that's what my question
Get a
is.
little bit more salt out of there.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Is that gonna be on the side? Is that easier for you?
Ah! My hair!
I'm sorry, are you okay?
That came out like a freaking.
Flamethrower!
It was like boom. Ow. Ooh, it burns.
Yeah, I don't know why you used your finger.
Because it wasn't like.
There you go. There we go. We totally didn't get that on there.
All right, we got a little stick of salt. Yeah, write salt on it, Kiri. Burnt my finger. Do it by yourself.
For myself.
A little bit more.
It's close though.
All right.
All right. Scissors. No! I should not be trusting you today.
I knew.
Are you
No, that's not how the Minute Craft did it.
I'm doing it better.
No. You can't make 5-minute crafts better. You have to do it exactly how they do it.
You did it how they did it, and now I'm making it better. Are you mad?
A little. Dang. Was that it?
Yep,
We did it?
we did it.
Wow. 2 of 10 would not recommend.
Hey, this one's really kind of cool for like camping or something.
It's a cool idea, but it burnt me.
That's true.
The bracelets would be a cool idea for kids.
Yeah, I think Abby would really enjoy that. This is really cool for like camping.
The chip clip, you need bigger straws, but it's a good idea.
If you had like an individual bag, I mean like the little ones, it probably would work really well.
Who doesn't eat that in one sitting? We did it! Yeah! Straw crafts!
My favorite is probably the seasoning saber.
Okay. Did you just throw my salt?
We can make homemade pixie sticks with this.
All right, my favorite. Honestly, my favorite was the
Seasoning
seasonings.
sabers.
Yeah,
That's not what they call them, but that's what I'm gonna call them.
that's fine. Like, subscribe, follow, do all the things.
Please.
Love you.